Sunday to you. It is an open house today at Kokio Towers. It's a studio unit for sale on 197,000. It's a good turnout. They have some interested buyers. Anyways, here at Waikiki, this is the beach. Looks like a lot of people are here enjoying the sun. And a lot of the people over here like playing in the water. Very nice sunny day. Not bad for January 31st. Warm, sunny, clear skies. If you're interested in any properties in Waikiki, give me a call. My name is Jean Emmanuel, phone number 808-940-5897. Look for Coldwell Banker. I can help you sell your home here in Hawaii, or buy a vacation home, or a home for yourself, or like investment property to rent out in Waikiki. Good place to do investment. People love Waikiki because it's Waikiki. So yeah, give me a call, 808-940-5897, or send me an email. It's in my bio. I'm on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and even YouTube. Okay, aloha, and enjoy the rest of your Sunday.